one day somebody does something unspeakable to someone else, to someone you hardly knew, and you do something about it because you can.
This story comes to us from NBC 10 Boston. A Massachusetts state police trooper appeared in court and pleaded not guilty Thursday, about 2 weeks ago, after being accused of proposing that he not have a driver's car towed in Boston in exchange for a sex act. Now, Trooper Terrence Kent was arraigned on charges brought by a grand jury of bribery and indecent assault and battery in Middlesex Superior Court over an incident that allegedly took place in August. Beyond that, the incident was reported a couple of months after it allegedly took place. No new details were revealed about the case in court, where the judge agreed with prosecutors' proposal that he be released without bail on condition that he not have contact with the alleged victim. Now, Kent's next court date will be set at a subsequent hearing in April of this year. He was represented by David Yannetti, prominent attorney who's been representing Karen Reed in her high-profile murder trial. Now, Kent was suspended without pay in November over what state police representatives said were serious allegations following accusations of sexual misconduct. Details about the allegations against Kent weren't revealed at the time, but on this last Tuesday, the Middlesex District Attorney's Office and Lexington Police shared that Kent was indicted by a grand jury on charges of bribery and indecent assault over the allegations from August 24th. That's when Kent allegedly blocked a driver from leaving their parking spot on Soldiers Field Road in Brighton. The driver asked Kent to move, but the trooper told him his registration and insurance had expired, meaning his vehicle needed to be towed, according to authorities. The driver had concerns, so allegedly Kent proposed they meet him at a Lexington Department of Transportation facility where they could perform a sexual favor in exchange for not towing the vehicle. Officials didn't share what happened after that or how they were informed of the incident. Quote, the defendant in this case allegedly used his position of power as a sworn police officer to commit a sexual assault. These allegations, if true, are a blatant violation of the public trust and his obligation to uphold high ethical standards and the values of the community. Today's indictment is a reflection of our continued commitment to the highest level of accountability and transparency when it comes to those entrusted to protect public safety. End quote. That's by District Attorney Marion Ryan. Now, the date for Kent's arraignment in Middlesex Superior Court has not yet been set, according to prosecutors. When Kent was first suspended, a police representative shared a statement noting the department was committed to cooperating with investigators and that the Massachusetts State Police does not tolerate any forms of sexual misconduct, and we hold our members accountable to the highest professional standards. Now, Kent, who graduated from the State Police Academy in August of 2017, was also suspended in 2023 after an internal affairs investigation showed he abandoned an assigned post. So this cop's already been suspended for abandoning his post, and now he's been indicted on sexual misconduct here, alleged sexual an allegation that he committed this act. But I mean, that's what he's been indicted on, sexual misconduct. But this time it's just an allegation and a charge that they're investigating. And I love how the state police say, we're cooperating with investigators. But you don't have a choice. You got to. Um, this sounds like a troubled trooper, suspended for abandoning post. Now he's indicted, not 2 years later.